Hold it. There you go. Are you ready? Stand by.
Talking job, get the money, motherfucker, 'cause I got no more patience. I'm talking like no more patience, man. Back in town and all new friends, they say how you been. Fucked up, but out of place, as I felt back then. Double talking job, get the money, motherfucker, 'cause I got no more patience. Double talking like no more patience, man. You dig what I'm saying?
You see the chamber. I didn't see the chamber. Okay, hammer down.